so excited right now. I got my YesStyle package. This is it. So excited. Okay, I ordered this in January and it arrived today. It's February 10. This is the plastic that was over it. And if you live in Italy, you know that when you order stuff from the US or just like out of Europe and the Schengen region, that they majorly like put taxes on the stuff and a lot of things are banned and it's just such a headache. And so a lot of companies like G Market and 11th Street and like a lot of online shopping companies don't actually deliver to Italy because it's such a hassle. And so I have to use a shipping service when I order from G Market that is in Korea. And YesStyle does deliver to Italy. It went through Germany, so it arrived. I think I'm so excited, I can't even talk. I think it leaves from Hong Kong, and it went to Germany. And so the stamp that's on the cover of the box, like they covered the original information with a sticker, which is German. This is amazing. I didn't pay any extra tax or anything over it, because like if you get something from within Europe, then Italy doesn't put the tax on it, but if you get something from overseas, then it does put the tax on it. For some reason they didn't put the tax on it, and I think because it was covered with a German sticker, I don't know. But YesStyle works if you live in Italy. You can order stuff from them, and they have Korean products. They have Bobbi Brown. They have like a lot of the Western brands that they don't have in Italy. They have it. So I'm so excited. The value of this box was actually 99 euros. That's how much I paid for the stuff in here. I'm gonna open it now. Very look at this part. Okay. So I got my Princess Mini Sesame Brown contact lenses, 2 pairs. So I should have 4 of those. I actually at first had wanted the Princess Mini Sesame Gray, sorry, not Sesame Brown. And also I wanted a pair of the, what's it called? The Ice Cream Ray Ray Gray ones. But then like I added it to my cart, but then when I was checking out, it disappeared because it was sold out. So then I just ended up getting 2 pairs, so 4 pieces of the Sesame Gray lenses. I thought that it would come with a macaroon case or like a cuter case, but instead it just comes with like the normal plastic cases, like not even animal, but oh well. I ordered all this stuff during the year-end sales, so I got a lot of good deals. So I just want to check to make sure that they were right with everything. Yes. Like, because I have prescription stuff. This is the Princess Mini Sesame Gray. These are the contact lenses that I'm wearing right now. When do they expire? This one expires in 2019. As long as I keep it in this jar and don't open it, it's going to last until then. Once you open them, then they last for 1 year. So this is just going to be another pair of that, the exact same thing. Some other things like that. Oh my gosh, they packed so well in bubble. Okay, so I got this kind of light brown, dark blonde. That's what it looks like. And the color is cinnamon churros. I've never actually eaten churros. I want to try them. It's like that. And so yeah, it's a pulty hair dye in a brown kind of ash browny kind of color. If you're blonde, it'll be like that. If you're brown, it'll end up being like that. This is just cotton, facial cotton that I got. It was also on sale from Etude House. 5-layer multi-cotton. And, you know, cotton always comes in handy. So I bought a box of that. This is the Princess Mimi Sesame Brown. This is the prescription on the top, minus 5.0. And the lens is in there in the solution. And I'm actually wearing it right now. There's the same ones that I'm wearing. And it just comes with like a really normal kind of case like that. You know, nothing special about the case at all. They put these stickers on everything though. Here we are. This is the more exciting bundle. And I got some lipsticks and some things from 3 Concept Eyes because they were on sale, and I found it to be a lot cheaper than Style Nanda. Oh, they gave me some samples too. Okay, this is Japanese hair treatment. It's not the Shiseido one. It's one that I've never tried called Venus Spa. It says Venus Spa Treatment Moist Rich, and it's supposed to make your hair shittori. This is what it looks like. It's very the packaging is very beautiful. It's shiny, so hopefully you can see it, but the packaging is really beautiful. Okay, so I also got this Dolly Wink eyeliner. This says it's Dolly Wink produced by Tsubasa Masuoka, and it's a liquid eyeliner in deep black by Koji. Koji is a really big and popular Japanese brand, not very expensive, but kind of drugstore. It's quite different, and I really needed to get a new eyeliner because the ones that I have are pretty much used up. Sorry, it has a brush tip and it's one of my favorites and it's good stuff. Lipsticks by, this is a brand called 3 Concept Eyes. So the first lipstick I got from 3 Concept Eyes is called 407 Cashmere Orange, and it comes in a tube like this, and it's orange. But it's not like a red orange, and that's kind of like the colors I already have. I have like red orangey colors. This is really, it's called Oriental Orange. Hello. I think it looks pinker in real life than and more orange on the camera. I'm not sure if it's showing well. The formula feels really creamy and soft when I swatched it. I'm going to put it on my lips. So it's a very bright kind of orange color that I think is good for summer actually. That's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like on my hand. So the next lipstick is Fatal, number 605 Fatal by 3 Concept Eyes. It has this sticker of authenticity or something. I don't know, it's a sticker, but if you don't, if you want to return it, you can only return it if this sticker is in place and hasn't been removed. And this is what it looks like. It's 605 Fatal. And it's kind of a dark red, plum, purpley kind of color, a color that I don't have and that I've wanted for a while. You can swatch it on my hand too. But the formula is very creamy and smooth. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's the swatch there, and that's what it looks like on my lips. I am very happy with this color. I think this is great for fall and winter and was just the color that I was looking for. Kind of purpley red, but not too dark and not too purple, but it's kind of just right. Okay, so I took that off, and I have this by Momonde, and it's called Creamy Tint Color Balm Intense with Argania Spinosa and Kernel Oil, and it's kind of a lipstick, lip balm, lip tint in a stick form. I'm gonna try that. So this is color 19, it says. Yeah, there we are. This is what it looks like here, the Momonde or Momonde, and this is the box. And so it's this swatch here, and that's what it looks like on me, on the lips. And that's what it looks like on my hand. It's pretty much, it's very similar. It is matte, actually. It is matte, but it's also very creamy and not drying at all. And I think this one kind of covers the cracks and things better. So even if my lips are dry, even though my lips are dry, it's not showing at all. So that's weird for a matte product. But oh my gosh, I really like this. I really like the fatal too because I love the color of that. The orange, I'll see in the summer. The last product that I actually bought is this powder pact by Moly, and this was on sale as well. All of the things that I bought were on sale, and this is so cute. It comes in this package, but as you can see, when you open it, you don't get the paws. It's like that. This is what it says here. Let me be more professional. It's called the Moly Cats Wink Clear Pact number 2 Natural. And there's 11 grams of product in here. And the packaging is just so cute, and I just fell for that. And that's why I bought it. That's it. So it comes with this puff. I usually never use the puffs though. And it's like that. Oops. And it's like that inside. So I really needed a powder pack because look, this is my one by, oh, this has more product in it than this. This is only 7.5 grams. This is by Givenchy, and it is the Matissime powder, and look, I'm like pretty much out of it. The color's different though. It's a lot lighter. So I don't know if it's going to be too light on me, but we'll try. So this is the Cat's Wink powder pack, and the color isn't showing now. I mean, it looks so white on camera, but it is a beige color there. And this one has a darker color than what you see on camera. Yeah, this has 7.5 grams of powder, and I've been liking that actually. And this is 11 grams. So actually it looks like it's smaller, but it actually has a lot more product in it. And it was actually really cheap, like something like $10 I think I paid for this on sale. I don't know how well the camera is focusing because I'm sitting a greater distance away from the camera. But anyways, I hope it's okay. I'm actually only wearing the HD powder, you know, a translucent powder over my BB cream. I'm not wearing an actual like coverage foundation powder thing. So I'm going to try it on half of my face, and hopefully it's not too light.
It is lighter than the other powder that I have, so you might see a difference. But not so much, because it is a powder after all. Wow.
So this is the side with it on, this is the side with it off. I don't think you can really hardly tell. Maybe it offers a bit more coverage. I think it just offers a bit of coverage. Yeah, so I'm gonna be trying out these products, and I bought them all myself, of course. And all we have left are these free samples that they gave. I got the multi-berry yogurt repair pack by Lineage. And it says crystal clear and hydrated skin with water science. It says do not eat on it. I wouldn't want to eat my mask. Probably it smells good. Maybe that's why they wrote it. I got a cleanser. This is the multi cleanser for all skin types by Lineage. It says mild and thorough cleansing for clear and bright skin. And these are quite generous samples with 4 milliliters inside. And then I got a little sample of the Etude House Go Back Lifting Emulsion. That's cool. I'll try that tonight. And I got a sample of the Lineage Purify Tox Boosting Essence. Booster Essence that purifies the skin and fills the energy. It doesn't just give you energy. It fills the energy. That's interesting. Okay, so 2 essences and a mask and a multi-cleanser, which is really good. This is really good for when you travel, I think. And that's it. All I have is this like bubble wrap, bubble paper. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop.
So much fun. Do you prefer getting the worms or do you prefer bubble wrap? I prefer bubble wrap. I'm gonna stop now.
Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!